Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then go ahead, girl, have a seat, make yourself comfortable because you're family now. And if you haven't already, go ahead, make sure you hit the like button as well as the subscribe so you can check me out every time I do post. So today I'm gonna show y'all how I got this really cute pink look that is perfect for Valentine's Day or for any day for that matter if you like pink. So we got some pinks, we got some purples. You could pair it up for a day night, or even if you just going out for a fun night or a birthday, however you want to look at it. So without further ado, if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then stay tuned. First, we're gonna go in with P. Louise Mitchell Acid Rain Blank Canvas primer. That was a lot. A little go a very long way with this product, so I like to do a very small amount of this. I'm gonna use this primer because it's not super white, but it's not yellow. It's a very neutral color. Because it's very bright, it's gonna show the bright colors on my skin even better. So I'm gonna go in with this pink from MAC Cosmetics. It's called Passionate. You could use any type of pinks. It doesn't have to be this one. So we're gonna go in with this pink color a few times. And I always like to start with my crease first. Building that color inside the crease is what's gonna really help make the eyeshadow look more blended. So always start from the out, working in. And while I'm applying this, I'm using a Morphe RG18 brush. It's just a fluffy domed brush that I love to use for more precise application for within my crease, but then I still kind of want to make it a little blended. And I brought the pink like kind of halfway in the middle of the eyelid, like kind of halfway the eyelid. I didn't just stop at the end, kind of brought it in, and I'm fluffing it out a little bit just so that it's blended on the inside. So I'm focusing like more so on the edges. Now I'm gonna take a different fluffy brush and I'm gonna place this purpley pink called Lens Blur from MAC Cosmetics in the crease as well. Now I'm gonna take that same brush we used with the first pink and kind of just blend out those edges so that it looks like a gradient effect from the dark to the light. I might take this purple and put it in the crease as well just to make it a little more deeper and smoky. It's called Power to the Purple. It's a MAC eyeshadow as well. I'm just gonna see what this look like. If it don't work, then I'm gonna be mad, but we just gonna put this. Yeah, I like the way that look. Now we're going to take MAC's Pigment Naked, and I'm literally just putting it on the inner part of my eye. Almost like a cut crease, I guess you could say, but I'm not really trying to do a cut crease. It's just the way it's going. But yeah, we're just going to apply it right there in the middle. This pigment is so pretty. So we're just going to take that same brush from earlier. And then I'm just going to blend out the ends, the edges of it to kind of like blend it and make everything look seamless. I'm gonna take a little bit of that first color that we use and just kind of apply it. This is so pretty. Now I'm going to take my liner and I'm using Brush Black Brush Stroke eyeliner from MAC Cosmetics. Now I like to just coat my lashes with some mascara, which I'm going to be using MAC's Extended Play. We definitely want to make sure everything is blended. So we're going to go in the crease and blend out them edges. Okay, now I'm just going to go in with Melanie Mills Gleam Body Radiance and Peach Deluxe all over. Now I'm just going to go in with MAC's Studio Fix Mattifying 12 Hour Shine Control Primer. I love to mix both because I'm combination skin type, so I put some I put this in my oiliest areas. Foundation routine, I pretty much already have a video showing how I do this part. So watch this video if you're interested in seeing more detailed. So I'm just gonna do my concealer and my bronzing part. I've already done my brows off camera. If you would like to see a tutorial on how I do my brows, then please hit the like button. That lets me know you're interested. So I'm just gonna blend out the concealer that we put down as well as that bronzer. Now I'm just going to take that passionate color that we started with earlier in the crease. I'm going to take that right on the lower lash of my eyes. Now I'm just taking MAC Studio Chromographic pencil in NC15 and NW20, and I'm just lining my waterline with that. I'm now going to take MAC's Mineral Skin Finish in dark, and I'm just going to pounce that all over my skin, wherever, especially where I put that translucent powder. Like here, you see how it's like contour color, like we trying to blend that. So kinda almost forgot to blend out the contour on my nose. Now I'm just gonna go back in with that same mascara that I coat my top lashes with and just coat my bottom ones. Now I'm going in with MAC Mineralized Dark Golden where I put my highlight, just to make sure that I don't look like I have a whole bunch of makeup on my face or powdery. Gonna leave it like this, but then I put a little shine on this side. So I'm using Shine Delight Dazzle Shadow from MAC Cosmetics, and I wanted this because I seen it have like that light iridescent color, but it also had like purple and pink reflex, like purple gold pink reflex. I hope it shows on camera the way I see it in person. And I'm literally putting it right on the center part of it. Nothing crazy. And just to finish up the look, I'm gonna be using Brownie lip liner from Juvia's Place. Then I'm gonna go into with MAC Rosalia collection in Julia. Now I'm taking MAC's lip gloss in See-Through. Here we are. This is the finished look, which I am in love and I am so pleased by. I'm gonna have everything that I used in the description bar below. Hopefully you like this look. Hopefully you enjoy your Valentine's Day. Hope you enjoy it with that special someone and get all dialed up for them and for yourself. Okay, this concludes our video for today. Hopefully you were able to achieve this really simple, easy makeup for Valentine's Day, if you're gonna do a date night or whatever the case might be. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those questions down in the comments below and I'll definitely answer them. Thank you so much for tuning in with me today. Just like any other time, I'll see y'all later.